Hello, good evening everybody. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. There are a few more who are yet to join us, but unfortunately peak hour traffic is stopping them, but they will be with us soon. Meanwhile, all you backbenchers, I'd just like you to please move in the front. We have some empty seats, some empty tables, and I want you all to be as close to me as possible. So those right at the back, why don't you all come in front? I promise I will not put you in any kind of tight spot or ask you anything or ask you to dance or sing. Nothing at all. In fact, the further you are from me, the more my eyes will be on you. So come in the front. I'll give you 2 minutes before we begin. But nobody really greeted me back. Good evening, everyone. The energy is too low. What is it? Too much work in the office today? Long day? And then it's going to be another long evening? No, trust me, this is going to be maybe a little long, but it's definitely going to be very exciting, very insightful, and you all will definitely have fun. So let me introduce myself, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Priya Jetani, and generally you find me on television on a very popular Indian TV channel called ZTV Middle East, and otherwise I'm found at shows like these, hosting an audience like yourselves. So a very, very warm welcome to all our business leaders today from different various industries. Thank you for taking the time out and gracing this occasion with your presence. We are all set to get into this very special evening, driving revenue through conversations, Dubai edition. This is a session where we discuss WhatsApp for businesses, the growth opportunities and the potential, and of course organized by none other than Tanla. And you all know about it, but I will be saying a few words about it nevertheless. The agenda of today's evening, of course, it's some very insightful, very exciting speaker sessions, followed by some success stories that you will be hearing from our customers. And of course, there will be an insightful panel discussion as well. And let me tell you that we are also going to give you a chance to take some very amazing prizes home. But for that, you gotta be attentive throughout today, which I'm sure you will be, because these are very, very interesting sessions that we are going to have. So, ladies and gentlemen, something about Tanla, recognized as a visionary in the 2023 Gartner Magic Quadrant for CPaaS, one of the world's largest cloud communication solution providers, handling over 800 billion transactions annually. As the third largest publicly listed CPaaS player by market cap in Indian stock market, Tanla is dedicated to empowering customers and enabling companies. Through its subsidiaries, Tanla serves over 2,000 enterprises globally, delivering billions of messages across new age channels like WhatsApp, RCS, Truecaller, and legacy channels including SMS, voice, and email. Let's give Tanla a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, I need some more energy in this room. Alright, now before we get into our first speaker session, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to warm up with a little quiz. So there's a QR code coming up on the screen right away, and this is, we're not having any winners over here. This is just a quick self-assessment, just to see how well versed you are with WhatsApp for business messaging already. There's a QR code up there. Why don't you just quickly take your phones and scan this, and there's a quiz on your screens that will appear. Just answer the questions that shows up, and we'll then straight away move on to our first session of this evening. If you are having any difficulty accessing it, please show me your hand and I'll send somebody from the team to you. It's quite easy these days, right? Scanning the barcode and there you have it in front of you, anything that you want. Done? Answered? Any difficulties? Easy peasy? Okay, I give you 30 more seconds for those who are still on it. I see people on the phones. Take your time. 30 seconds only, and then we move on. Good to go? Everyone? Done? Okay. We'll do what we'll do with the insights we get from this quiz, but let me tell you that a very similar thing is going to happen at the end of all the sessions tonight, and that is what is going to make you win. So, you gotta, of course, pay attention throughout all the sessions that happen here on stage today, and that's what the quiz at the end of the session will be based on, and it will be on an app called Kahoot. We'll tell you how to log on to it and get started with that once we get to it. Right now, I am moving on to inviting on stage our first speaker. Well, something about her. With over 2 decades of experience in telecommunications and technology, she's the Senior Vice President of Product Marketing at Karix, a Tanla company. She's been instrumental in bridging legacy technologies with modern channels for conversational automation, digital automation, and MarTech, enhancing customer experiences. She drives growth in digital and SaaS product lines, expands customer relationships, and develops strategic alliances to explore new markets globally. Before joining Karix, she was a VP of Sales and Marketing Operations at United Cellular, where she drove sales revenue, managed productivity, and ensured store profitability. At Tata Docomo, she led enterprise mobility projects and product rollouts. Her earlier roles at Reliance Telecom and Ericsson involved managing service operations and optimizing network performance. Ladies and gentlemen, she's coming up with a session called WhatsApp Business API, Unlocking Growth and Revenue. Please join me in welcoming on stage Senior VP Product Marketing at Karix, a Tanla company, Miss Sonia Kaul. Come on! Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's welcome our first speaker tonight.
I could see a lot of people interacting with the quiz, but I think the bot response was a little slow, so I'm not sure how many of you have